Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update in the overall market. So last night we had what I call a liquidity grab. It wasn't a full-on liquidity grab, but we had a high value node hit along with the local 618. So in my opinion, we're going to be targeting kind of upwards of 72 600s are probably the bottom of this order block up here that you can see on my cursor. And if that is the case, then from right now, we're going to run approximately another 9 or 10%. So we're still within the bull flag that I formed. Money flows coming back in, momentum's up. Asia did its job with grabbing liquidity. So I'm excited to see what happens. I did get some other plays in. I only played a scalp on Bitcoin, but I put a lot of low leverage longs in Solana, Fetch AI, Ethereum, and I had Boom. So, although Boom's a little more unpredictable, so I always do like a 1 or 2x leverage long on that one and just see where it goes. I apologize, my phone is hitting off in the background. Here's the 1 hour. I think you're going to see we've done that recently, just get a liquidity squeeze. So we didn't hit this liquidity box I was looking for down below. These were some single prints, but we had some nice signatures in terms of what someone was defending. Basically, there was a whale that wasn't letting price drop any lower. So you could see there was a lot of $5 and $6 million longs coming in on single orders. So it was quite interesting to watch. And we're about to break out. From my opinion, right now, you're about to get a short squeeze. So. I haven't pulled up XO on here. I just had to restart my computer. That would slow things down a lot, but you would see some big longs coming in. Let's look into the 24-minute. I'll stick with just Bitcoin on this one. So we need to get back above this one here. You get back above this, we're going to run to. So we need to get back above 66,945, and then once you're above 67,144. You're going to run. There's nothing here. This is just a straight wick. And then your next line of resistance is somewhere in the neighborhood of 68,400 to 68,600. And then once you're over that order block, look for a bunch of shorts up in this neck of the woods around 69.6. But as you can see, this is the top of the bull flag. So I expect a retest of that and probably in the near future. So let me also zoom out. This also brings into a good point that I learned from another much more experienced trader than myself. I've learned a ton from. So everything's a rotation. So you had a rotation up, you had a rotation down, you had a rotation up, we had a rotation down. Guess what's coming next? A rotation up. Mostly. Not always guaranteed, but things are cyclical. Whales and market makers are grabbing liquidity. They're taking liquidity. They're grabbing liquidity. They're taking liquidity. They're going to go grab more liquidity. So we grabbed 70% of the liquidity down here. So they'll leave this for later and they'll come back later. So there's a lot of liquidity up in here now, a ton. So all of this has not been mitigated or stopped out yet. So it is just now for all these shorts. So you got all these shorts up here, these been mitigated. So at the very least, we're going to see the top of this wick of like 71.7. But if that's the case, you guys start squeezing shorts, you pop off even higher. So that's why I think you're probably going to see like 72 to 73. And if we keep running higher than that, we may just start running to my target of 83. So I think depends on how you draw. You have between an $83,000 and $96,000 target on the next run up. And then I'm expecting a pretty big correction. So nothing I can do other than just watch, right? So I'll stop there. I'll do other videos on Fetch AI, Solana, all that fun stuff. And I'll do them separately. Thanks, guys. Nothing to say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, go to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockguard Discord. Thanks.